Professor Joshua Vogel from the Burnett Institute. Professor Vogel is a perinatal epidemiologist and public health researcher. He focuses on issues in maternal and newborn health that are of a global concern, with a focus on improving the quality of maternity care for women in resource-constrained settings. Over the course of his career, he has conducted primary research in more than 20 countries, coordinating large-scale clinical trials. The impact of these trials has affected many lives, as he produced evidence which underpins multiple guidelines in maternal and newborn health. Joshua's research has set the global standard for clinical management of women at risk of preterm birth, including leading the development of several WHO guidelines in the field of maternal and perinatal health.